Today we're gonna make a lovely Jamaican brown stew chicken. And this brown stew chicken is gonna go with some yam, banana, and dumpling. Some real Jamaican caramel dumpling. I know you guys gonna love this recipe. Please enjoy the recipe and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Put your comments below. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. See how we season this Jamaican. I have this at least 2 kilos of chicken right here. What I want to say to you, what I did before, I used some lemon juice and wash off this chicken. If you don't have lemon juice, you can always use a lemon to wash your chicken. So what we're going to do, we're going to marinate the chicken, the brown stew chicken now. So first of all, what I'm going to simply do, I got some garlic, 4 cloves of garlic which I just crushed. I'm going to put them straight inside of it. Nice one piece of fresh piece of thyme, as you can see. I'm going to put it straight in also inside of it. Then I got some all-purpose seasoning. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a large spoon of all-purpose seasoning right here. As you can see, that's a large spoon. Then I got some meat seasoning. I'm going to put also a large spoon of a meat seasoning inside of it. Beautiful. And I got some chicken seasoning. Also, I'm going to put a large spoon. So beautiful. Then I got some paprika. I'm going to put a large spoon of paprika also inside of it. Beautiful. Little pinch of pepper, not too much. You don't want to make it seasoned. Then I got some everyday seasoning. I'm going to put a large spoon of it, everyday seasoning inside of it also. A little bit of seasoning. Beautiful and nice. Then second thing, we're gonna put some browning. You can use either grease browning or any kind of browning. Once it's browning for food, for meat you can use it, or for food you can use the browning. I'm gonna put a large spoon of browning inside of it. The next what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna put a large spoon of olive oil inside of it. I'm just using the basic season at the moment. So if you're at home and you want to make your Jamaican brown stew chicken, just use the regular basic season where you use everyday marinated meat. You can do this from the day before. You don't have to do it the same day what I'm doing at the moment. I'm going to give you the full recipe of this beautiful Jamaican brown stew chicken. First of all, I want to say you can use a hand or you can use the gloves. I'm going to use my gloves and rub it up just like this. And as I say, you can always do this from the day before and make it marinate, soak for 24 hours. And if you notice, I get my meat cut up very small, not too big, very small. This is a beautiful Jamaican brown stew chicken. So as you can see right here, this is the way all the chicken looking really good. So this is the basic season which you are using every day. You're at home, I'm just using this little pot right here just because I'm gonna cook it straight inside of it also. So that's beautiful and nice. Then if you know what I did a while ago, I just marinate it. Then what I'm gonna simply do, look what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna remove so right here, I'm gonna say to you guys what type of veg which I'm gonna use in my lovely brown stew chicken. I got a large big tomato right here. I got 1 sweet pepper, 1 red pepper, and half of yellow pepper, 2 medium-sized potato and a small one, and I got 2 carrot and a white onion and 2 stalks of spring onion and 1 more piece of a fresh thyme. I'm gonna put a little piece of a pepper also inside of it. This is a beautiful recipe. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply give you an idea. Simple when you're gonna dice them. Just simply show you how you can dice them very small, like this. So we're gonna dice carrot, Irish potato, everything just like this size right here. We're gonna put it straight inside of the pot. Beautiful. Right here is all of the chicken which I just been cooking off, looking really good so far. So I'm gonna cut up the season to put it inside of it now. Beautiful. So I just take the cover, I'm gonna look at it, and I'm saying this is the way you want your chicken to look. Just a little bit soft, not too much. All of those veggies I just cut, I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this. Beautiful. I know it's a lot of veg, but you know, nothing nice like when you're doing brown stew chicken and you have a lot of veg inside of it. Tastes really different, and all those flavors just come together. So it's gonna be really beautiful. Nice Jamaican brown stew chicken. Simple. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, not too much. I'm adding some boiling water. We're gonna simply put a little bit more ketchup, just a little ketchup inside of it, as you can see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna put a little bit more browning inside of it, roughly a teaspoon of browning inside of it, because I had a little water so it changed the color. And Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm just gonna simply just cut off a little piece and just put it inside of it, just to bring up the flavor. Put a fresh piece of thyme in there also. As you can see how it looks inside of the pot, looking really good. All the seasoning and the flavor, the spring onion and everything, gonna just cook together now. So as you can see, how this brown stew chicken looking really nice and beautiful. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna simply put a little bit more meat seasoning inside of it, roughly a teaspoon of the meat seasoning inside of it. Really nice and beautiful. So you don't need any salt, because all of those seasonings which you had in have salt. Just gonna put a little bit. Beautiful. So just leave this, make it cook down now on a medium size heat. Nice one. So as you can see right here, this beautiful brown stew chicken which is cooking, looking really good, nice and beautiful. Look at this, really good. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Let's give it another taste. Ah, beautiful. Let it cook here. It's finished. Beautiful, nice and done, dusted. So this is gonna share with some yam, banana and dumpling. So the brown stew chicken is finished now. Beautiful. So we're gonna share it. Nice and beautiful. So as you can see right here is the Jamaican caramel dumpling right here. Right here is the brown stew chicken, and we got the plantain and some green banana right here. So as you can see, this is just really nice and beautiful. It's a nice Caribbean dish, and I know you guys will love this one. And I want to say the brown stew chicken, it can go with anything. Rice and peas, it can go with hard food, it can go with anything you like. Anything you want to have it with, you can have it with the brown stew chicken. Beautiful and nice recipe. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Bye.